Good afternoon, everyone. Lisa with Power Wash Store of Central PA. We've got another flatbed build going out of here this week that we put together. This one is for Davis Power Washing. They are out of Pennsylvania. What we did here for them is we built this truck to have both the SoftWash system and a pressure washer on there. So for our SoftWash system part, we have a mid-size skid that we installed here on this truck. This one has the Udor Zeta. It has a 100-gallon tank for water. It has a 100-gallon tank for bleach, and then it also has two 7-gallon soap tanks, which are back there behind the proportioner. That skid is also built with two electric hose reels. The one on the left-hand side there for the garden hose feed, that's going to be for your garden hose feed, and then the one on the right there is your chemical application hose. That is a 1/2-inch ag hose we have on there. We have a pressure washer here, one of our water dragon units, 8-gallon a minute, gear-driven pump, Udor pump on there with the Honda engine, a 12-inch electric reel for that hose. There's 200 feet of our one-wire Dragon Flex hose there. And then for our pressure washer, we have a 200-gallon tank that sits in the center there. And then really the only thing on the other side of this build is going to be the external fuel tank that we put on there for the pressure washer. Also, you can see back here what we do for venting our bleach tank. This 100-gallon tank in front there where you can see that red line, there's a coil of hose up top there, and that's going to go directly through the bed of the truck. That's just a vent line for the bleach. As the bleach expands in the tank, it's gonna the gas is going to go through that line, and then it'll dispose down underneath the flatbed truck. So if you're looking to have a custom build like this or something different in mind, give us a call. You can reach us at 717-378-2276. Again, this is just a flatbed we put together here for Davis Painting. Second part of their build is a trailer that we did some reworking on, and I will be posting a video of that one here shortly. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to us on YouTube, and have a great day.